Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the PL-300 exam preparation series where we are looking at the third learning path, visualize and analyze the data. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic choose when to use a paginated report, which is part of the section create reports. First, we need to understand that what are paginated reports. Paginated reports allow report developers to create Power BI artifacts that have tightly controlled rendering requirements. So if you have certain Power BI artifacts in your report that require high resolution or where the rendering of the report is of utmost important, then you can opt for the paginated report. Paginated reports are ideal for creating sales invoices, receipts, purchase orders, as well as tabular data. Some of the use cases for paginated reports include creation of operational reports with table of details and optional headers and footers. Paginated reports are also used in applications where you need to print the report on paper or when you want an e-receipt, a purchase order, or an invoice. Paginated reports also render tabular data exceedingly well. You can have customized sort orders, clickable headers, and URL in the results, which allow for simple integration with custom applications. Power BI paginated reports can also display all the data in a single report element, such as a table. So if you have 25,000 records and you want the reports to print over 100 pages, you can do that inside a paginated report. If you want every third record to be printed with a light pink background, you can do that as well. So let's consider a scenario where we have a Power BI report and we have a table visual and we have records which are, let's say, 25,000 or more records. And if we want to actually export that particular report or we want to take a print, then only the records which are available within the view of the Power BI report can be printed. However, if we have a paginated report, we can print all the records because paginated report allows you to print all the records in your pages. Does not matter whether these are 100 pages or even more than that. And similarly, we can also apply certain kind of formatting on the records, and we can also do the filtering of the records, something which cannot be done in the common table visual of Power BI. So how do we create paginated reports? So if we have certain requirements like the requirements I just explained, where we have high rendering or we want to take the printouts or we want to take printouts of a table or we want to have headers, footers for sales receipts or for invoices, then there is a dedicated tool which is called as the Power BI Report Builder. So you use the Power BI Report Builder to create the paginated reports, and you can then publish these reports similar to a Power BI report using a Power BI Pro or a premium license. So in this particular video, we are not going to see how the paginated reports are created because that requires Power BI Report Builder and that is beyond the scope of the PL-300 exam. So you should be familiar that in certain scenarios, the Power BI visualization, native visuals like the table visual or some of the other visuals, they do not offer the requirements that can be offered by a Power BI report builder generated paginated report, and you always go and create a paginated report for those cases. If I come in the Power BI desktop environment and if I scroll down within the different visuals that we have, the native visuals, there is the paginated report visual which you see. So I'm just going to click on this paginated report visual here, and what it shows is that you need to actually connect to your report. So what happens is that inside the Power BI environment, you can connect to a paginated report that has been published in the Power BI service, and then you can embed a part of your report or even your complete report as part of the Power BI environment as well. But the process is simple, that you cannot create a paginated report inside of Power BI. you have to create that using the Power BI report builder, publish it to the Power BI service, and then you can connect to the report and bring in certain elements of the report within the Power BI environment. And then within this visual, you would have the option to actually do everything that the paginated report visual actually offers. But for the exam, just keep this thing in mind that you would have maybe on a certain question, a certain scenario where you might be asked that, okay, is this scenario feasible for a paginated report, or we should go for a standard Power BI visual. So you should be familiar with the conditions that require to choose a paginated report visual. So that's all for this particular topic, and I will catch you up in the next video.